I delivered the first one of these inside an AI supercomputer to OpenAI when it was first created.
What do gaming and artificial intelligence have in common? They both rely on the power and performance of Nvidia's graphics cards. But Nvidia is not just a gaming company. It is also a leader in artificial intelligence, data centers, automotive, and more. In this video, we will explore how Nvidia became one of the most influential and successful companies in the tech industry and its plans and challenges. Nvidia was founded in 1993 by three computer scientists, Jensen Huang, Chris Madhowski, and Curtis Preem. Their vision was to bring 3D graphics to the gaming and multimedia markets. They named their company after the Latin word Nvidia, which means envy. They wanted to create products that would make other companies envious of their performance and quality. Their first product was the NV1, a graphics card supporting audio and joystick input. It was launched in 1995 and was used by Sega for its Saturn game console. However, the NV1 was unsuccessful, as it used a proprietary graphics architecture called quadratic texture mapping, which was incompatible with most games at the time. Nvidia realized they needed to adopt the industry standard of DirectX, a set of APIs developed by Microsoft for Windows-based gaming. They also decided to focus on the PC market instead of consoles, as they saw more potential for growth and innovation there. They released their second product, the RIVA 128-1997, which supported DirectX and offered better performance than its competitors. The RIVA 128 was followed by a series of graphics cards that established Nvidia as a dominant player in the PC gaming market. Some of the most notable products were the GeForce 256, which introduced hardware transform and lighting in 1999, the GeForce 3, which introduced programmable shaders in 2001, the GeForce FX, which introduced high dynamic range rendering in 2003, and the GeForce 8800 GTX, which introduced unified shaders and DirectX 10 support in 2006. These products enabled gamers to enjoy more realistic and immersive graphics in games like Half-Life, Doom 3, Crysis, etc. While Nvidia was enjoying its success in gaming and graphics, it also saw an opportunity to enter a new and emerging market: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that aims to create machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as vision, speech, natural language processing, decision-making, and more. One of the key technologies that enables artificial intelligence is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn from large amounts of data and perform complex tasks. Deep learning requires a lot of computational power to process massive amounts of data and run complex algorithms. This is where Nvidia's graphics cards come in handy. Graphics cards are designed to handle the parallel processing of large data for rendering graphics. They can also be used for general-purpose computing on graphics processing units, GPU, which means using them for tasks other than graphics. Nvidia realized that its graphics cards could also be used for accelerating deep learning workloads. One of the breakthroughs that sparked the deep learning revolution was achieved using Nvidia's GPUs. In 2012, researchers from the University of Toronto won a prestigious image recognition competition called ImageNet using a deep neural network called AlexNet that ran on two Nvidia GeForce GTX 580 GPUs. AlexNet outperformed all other competitors by a large margin and demonstrated the power of deep learning for computer vision. Nvidia's Hopper architecture, launched in 2023, was the first GPU architecture to use multi-chip modules, MCMs, which are more scalable and powerful than monolithic chips. Each MCM had up to 8 GPU chips, each with its memory and compute resources. The Hopper architecture also had third-generation tensor cores, which could perform matrix operations on large data blocks and support sparsity acceleration, a technique that skips or compresses zero values in neural networks. The Hopper architecture also had up to 80 gigabytes of high-bandwidth memory free per MCM, up to 27,648 CUDA cores per MCM, and a peak performance of up to 62 teraflops per MCM. The A2000 was the flagship product based on the Hopper architecture, and it was designed for data centers and cloud computing. The A2000 could be interconnected with other A2000s using NVLink 3.0 and NVSwitch 2.0 technologies, creating a huge cluster of GPUs for exascale-level data and computation. Nvidia's efforts in artificial intelligence have paid off handsomely. According to its financial reports, Nvidia's revenue from the data center segment, which includes artificial intelligence products, grew from $339 million in the fiscal year 2016 to $7 billion in the fiscal year 2021, an increase of almost 20 times. Nvidia's data center segment surpassed its gaming segment as its largest source of revenue in the fiscal year 2021. Nvidia's market capitalization also soared from $14 billion in January 2016 to $331 billion in January 2021, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Nvidia is a leader in hardware and a pioneer in software for artificial intelligence. It has developed various platforms and frameworks that enable developers and researchers to leverage its GPUs for diverse and complex applications. For example, TUDA is a platform that allows general-purpose computing on GPUs. cuDNN is a library that provides optimized deep learning operations. TensorRT is a platform that optimizes models for inference. Robotics is a suite of libraries that enable GPU-accelerated data science and machine learning workflows. Nvidia Deep Learning SDK is a collection of tools that help build, train, debug, and deploy deep learning models. And Nvidia NGC is a cloud-based platform that provides access to pre-trained models, containers, scripts, and datasets. These platforms and frameworks make Nvidia's GPUs more accessible, powerful, and efficient for artificial intelligence. Nvidia is a company that has transformed itself from a gaming powerhouse to an artificial intelligence monolith. It has created products and services that have enabled many breakthroughs and innovations in artificial intelligence domains such as computer vision, natural language processing, recommender systems, etc. It has also generated huge revenue and growth from its data center segment, which includes artificial intelligence products. However, Nvidia faces challenges and risks that may affect its future performance and prospects. Nvidia has to overcome these challenges and risks by continuing to innovate and improve its products and services, complying with the regulations and laws of different countries and regions, ensuring the ethical and responsible use of its products and services, diversifying its revenue streams, and expanding its markets. That's all for today's video on Nvidia's from a gaming powerhouse to an artificial intelligence monolith. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.